Welcome to part 7 of the Zentangle robot project. We're going to be drawing our second robot today. This one's going to be a little sillier, a little more playful than the last one. This is kind of going to be a goofy stand-up robot. So we're going to start again with our pencil just to sketch, get a placement of things. We're going to draw a little, like an upside down U shape, and we're going to draw another little shape underneath that. Some eyeballs are going to go there. We're going to have a little neck. This little body is going to come down, and it's going to just be a regular shaped U with the top, if you want to think of it that way. Create a couple little shoulder spots here. Now we're going to do our midsection. And then we're going to do the hips here. Couple little orbs. Now we're going to draw our legs. We're going to make him kind of funny on purpose, like he's standing funny. Little knock-kneed robot here. Well, let's make him wave too while we're at it. So we'll put one of his arms up here. Thumb, his hand. And then this arm, we'll just bring it out down this way. Just like that. So there's our sketch. So we'll grab our pen and we'll ink this in and put those final details on this funny little robot. Let's see here. I think I can zoom in a tiny bit more again for you. These, if you do it one line at a time, it's very simple to draw these robots. We'll put a little antenna up top there. We don't need lots of detail. Let's put his eyes there. And we don't need to be concerned. It looks more complex than it actually is when we draw this. All right. Very simple. A few straight lines, a few curved lines, and we've got ourselves a bona fide robot pal here. Let's add a few lines here to give that a little different look mechanically. Okay. Just take your time. If you've never drawn anything like this, this is where you just follow the basic patterns that I've set out here. And you might want to practice on several different ones, but that's why we're kind of learning these ahead of time. Because when we incorporate it into our final drawing, we want to feel comfortable with it. Okay, so there's our little droid, and now let's add a few details to him. So we're going to have a little metallic lines here and there, and some reflective lines that are going to help define this guy. Just adds a little bit of detail for him here. Put a little logo there on his chest, whatever that might be. And now we can use our graphite. Add just a little bit of shading on him. And they're little lines like this. I'm doing these on very small tiles too, obviously, so they're not very large to begin with. Okay. Now, if you wanted to give the illusion that he's standing on something, you can draw that ground line here. We can even add a little bit of shadow indications around by his feet. And that just gives you some sort of an idea what that robot might look like. And so there we have it, our second robot for the Zentangle robot project.